Hey guys, this is Nikki from Babez Bath Company, and today we are making chocolate chip bath bombs. I will have the recipe down below, and I will also be doing a separate video showing you how to make chocolate chip bath truffles to add to your bath bombs to look realistic. And while you're here, don't forget to hit the like button, comment and subscribe. If there are any other videos that you would like for me to do in the future, please post below. Bath bomb recipe that I am using right now came from Bath Bomb World. I think that's their name. And I absolutely love this recipe. I've been using it for years and it works very well. Beautiful bath bombs, nice hardness. I love it. You may ask, what is a cocoa butter truffle? Well, a cocoa butter truffle is just like a bath melt. It works like a bath bomb. It fizzes, and when it dissolves, it releases the moisture, the cocoa butter, into the water. So when you get out of the bathtub, your skin is nice and moisturized. I spoke to you guys enough. Enjoy the rest of the video. Again, if there's anything that you would like to see, don't forget to post down below in the comments. Also, I said in the beginning, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have not yet, what are you waiting for? Like, comment, and subscribe. Also, I am live Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. for Coffee with Nikki, your daily cup of information and inspiration. So if you are a product maker, budding entrepreneur, or you've been in the game, maybe you're feeling stuck, we talk about all of that every morning at 9 a.m. So we will see you there. If you like what you see in this video and you think somebody can enjoy it, please share it. And I know I spoke through most of the video, but I hope you guys enjoy it. And thank you so much for watching.